Welcome back, and today we begin with Engin Akyurek through a very specific 2026 fan trigger, reports that his third book, Isimsiz, is expected soon. Fan posts have circulated the announcement, and while social media is not the same as a publisher's full literary campaign, the discussion itself is real and revealing. Engin's audience reacts to a book announcement almost the way other fandoms react to casting news. That is unusual for an actor, and it confirms that his literary side is no longer an accessory to his fame, it is part of the structure of his public identity. Tuba Büyüküstün's 2026 fan trigger is different. Instead of a book, it is the return of Another Self Season 3. Fan accounts circulated filming updates in 2025, and public interviews from the Red Sea period kept the show in conversation even before the final season's release. Tuba's audience is not waiting for a new object like a book, they are waiting for a narrative ending, and that creates a more emotional form of anticipation because Ada's journey has already accumulated 2 seasons of grief, friendship, and self-questioning. Returning to Engin, the fan theory around Isimsiz is already forming around the title. Nameless immediately invites interpretation. Fans connect it to themes of identity, anonymity, private pain, and the hidden self, especially because Engin's earlier literary image was shaped by sessizlik, or silence. Whether the book actually develops those themes remains to be seen, so a responsible script should frame this as speculation, not fact. But the speculation is useful because it shows how fans read Engin's artistic choices as interconnected symbols, silence, namelessness, withdrawal, and characters who often carry things they cannot say. With Tuba, the theory around Another Self Season 3 is attached to the idea of return. If Ada returns to Ayvalık and the past re-enters her life, fans expect the final season to answer whether a woman can truly begin again while standing in the place where her emotional history was exposed. This is not just plot curiosity. It is why Tuba's performance matters. Ada has to show the difference between returning because she is trapped and returning because she is finally strong enough to face what she avoided. So this script can be shaped around 2 different kinds of anticipation. Engin's fandom is waiting for language, new stories, new metaphors, and possibly another clue to how he sees human silence. Tuba's fandom is waiting for closure, an ending that proves the emotional excavation of another self was not circular. One actor is about to speak through a book, the other is about to complete a character's journey. And the question is simple: which is more revealing for a star, the story they write themselves, or the ending they choose to perform?